For this problem, we have the formula to compute a person's body mass index, B, is 703 multiplied by the quantity of weight, W, in pounds, divided by height, H, squared. Which equation is the best representation of this relationship? So there's a lot going on in here, and I'm going to go through and underline, and then I'm going to put what we're finding, what we're trying to find, in a square, and that is going to be what we're equal to, so I can kind of tell. Also, if you kind of glance down at the answer options, you can see these all start with B equals, so it's safe to assume that we're trying to find B. And if we go back to the story, it says the formula to compute a person's body mass index, ooh, talking is hard, that's the formula we're trying to find, and so this is what we're going to have equals, so B equals. And then that formula is 703 multiplied by the quantity of weight W divided by height H squared. So there's a lot going on. So B equals, we know that one, 703 multiplied by, so 703 multiplied by the quantity, and quantity, remember, means parentheses, so I'm just going to go ahead and put parentheses there so I don't forget, of weight W in pounds. That doesn't add any information, it just tells us what unit we're doing, so I don't need that, divided by height squared. So divided by height squared. So don't forget that squared part. So height squared. So little 2. And once we kind of just like go through, read left to right, add everything in as it comes, then you can clean this up. So this can really look like B equals 703. And then since this is a fraction, that already groups those together. And so I don't really even need the parentheses. I can just rewrite it as a fraction instead. And that groups it together on its own. So I don't need the parentheses. You could leave them there if you like it. But if I look at my answer compared to everything here, I can see that this answer, option A, matches. So you can see you have 703 out in front. It's being multiplied by W over H squared. And so all these other ones are just a little bit different.